How to turn on double tap to lock your screen and a single tap on the lock screen to wake your screen. This is for the Nothing phone, and this will work for Nothing phones that are currently running Android 15, Nothing OS 3. To enable the double tap on the home screen, which allows you to lock your screen like this here, what you're gonna do is long press a blank area on the home screen, and you'll see this show up like that. And you wanna go to where it says Home Settings. Once in the Home Settings section, you're gonna look for double tap to lock. You wanna turn that on. So this here is going to be when you double tap a blank area on your home screen like this here, 1, 2, it's gonna lock your screen for you. Now, if you want the one where you single tap on a off screen like this here and it wakes your phone, you want to go into the lock screen settings. So go ahead and use a quick access, do a full swipe like this with 2 fingers and tap on the settings right here. Once here, you'll see lock screen over here and you'll go to this here. Then you want to go to where it says when to show. And you're going to see tap to show lock screen. So you'll turn it on and that's going to be a single tap. So if you're currently in this state here, a single tap would wake your screen. And then of course to lock it back on the home screen area, 1, 2, that's going to lock it like and so.